Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Amrita Raichand and I welcome all of you to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. We do understand that every day is a worrisome day where tiffins are concerned. That is why some of India's most loved chefs, which includes me, have come up with 200 tiffin recipes for 200 school days. So today we are going to make power-packed Egg Ragi Paratha Rolls. They are yummy, they are delightful and they are super healthy. So chaliye, let's make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. Alright, so let's begin. सबसे पहले हम डो बनाएंगे with this lovely full of calcium ragi flour, Nachni के आटा के साथ, some whole wheat flour, just a pinch of salt. Okay, अब इसमें हम डालेंगे किसान का tomato ketchup, which will blend in beautifully with all the ingredients and enhance the flavor. Now with the help of some water, we are going to make a dough out of this. डो तैयार हो गया है, अब हम पराठे बनाएंगे. And here we have our lovely round paratha. So you're going to start sequing these. हल्का सा इस पे भी लगा दिया. बिल्कुल पराठे की तरह हम इसे तैयार कर लेंगे. Now these parathas are ready. फेंटो the अंडास. यहाँ 2 अंडे हम फेंट लेंगे. Just going to add some salt and a little bit of haldi. Nicely whisk the egg. Okay. चलिए अब let's combine the two. थोड़ा सा तेल डालेंगे. इसको थोड़ा grease कर लिया. And we're going to keep this in the center. अब इसके अंदर हम ये फेंटा हुआ अंडा डालेंगे. So about little bit. ये जो पराठा है वो हम इसके ऊपर डाल देंगे. So क्या होगा कि पराठा जो है वो अंडे के साथ अच्छी तरह से चिपक जाएगा. Now I can take this out. So just gonna take this off. Okay, चलिए. Up here I have my tiffin. So we are going to just gently roll them into these cute bite-sized rolls, and with the help of a toothpick we are going to combine this here. Watermelon, मैंने इन्हें scoop के help से इस तरह से round काटा है. So just looks a little cuter. बच्चों को कोई भी चीज़ आप अच्छे से present करके दें, they like it even more. And some pistachio. So I hope you liked today's recipe. Do subscribe to India Food Network and like and share this video if you like it, which I'm sure you do. I will be back tomorrow yet again with another exciting recipe and to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.